ohmathgad.
Hello guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be tackling the addition of algebraic expressions. So, without further ado, let's begin. Okay guys, the first thing we have to remember are some basic steps that I have copied here. So when adding algebraic expressions, you have to remember that you have to multiply the plus sign, if you have it, by everything inside the parentheses. So whenever you multiply by a plus sign, whatever is inside the parentheses just comes out exactly the same, right? And after that, you are going to combine like terms. So numbers and numbers and coefficients with the same variables, right? So let's try solving a problem right now. So in this case, we have 80 plus 50m, that is a binomial because we have two terms there, plus 65 plus 40m, that's another binomial. And let's see if we can actually reduce it. So if we have 80 plus 50m, and we add 65 plus 40m, because we're multiplying by plus, right? It doesn't matter, whatever is in front of the plus sign is actually going to come out exactly the same. So 80 plus 50m plus 65 plus 40m, right? We're adding it. So when we see this, we're going to see that we have 80 and 65, and they are both numbers. And because they are both numbers, they are like terms. And because they are like terms, we can reduce them. So 80 plus 65 is 145. And we have plus 50m plus 40m. They're also like terms. So plus 50 plus 40 is plus 90m. Right? So that is pretty much it for today's very short video, guys. Feel free to rewatch and tackle this problem on your own, and tomorrow we will tackle another problem of addition of algebraic expressions. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!